Hello everyone. So today we are going to explore Warsaw Old Town. So here we are in the middle of the Old Town, and this is decorated because Christmas is coming. So before Christmas they decorated whole Old Town with light, and this is going to be stayed till mid of February, and after that they will take down these lights and all, and the street will be like as is. So it's very beautiful. This started from the Old Town Market Square to till Noveswat. So the whole street is decorated, and between Noveswat and Old Town, you can you can see many many visiting like many famous places. So you can see university, you can see President's Palace, you can see Copernicus Park. So it's it's maybe 2 kilometer stretch from the Old Town to till Noveswat. So this is this is Copernicus Park we are standing right now, and you can see that it is decorated very beautifully, and there is a horse. How to say that this is a horse vehicle, horse cart, you can see here. So it is created in front of Copernicus statue, and people are people and kids are going there. They are enjoying this horse cart, you can see here. So
and they are taking photos as
yeah,
well.
so everyone is taking photos in front of this horse cart, and it's it's looking very beautiful. You can see here one of the I don't know, like so chocolate statue,
Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrari statue, you can see. So we are going towards the Noveswat
No,
now.
this street is decorated as the theme as Ferrero Rocher.
Okay, so yeah, this street is decorated as Ferrari. So you can see the flowers in winter, they have created it. It's very beautiful town. Now we are going towards the Noveswat. You can see the electric, here the electric buses are mandatory, so no diesel and petrol only buses are there. So every public transport is reduced to electrical vehicles. So see here in the Noveswat street there are all the famous restaurants are available, and like many Indian restaurants are there, many Japanese and Korean restaurants are also there. So you can find restaurant from different countries and different places. You can have a good dinner there. And one of the most famous places in Warsaw is Pavilion, and you can see there are many bars are there. So it is also present in Noveswat. So yeah, so right now we are going towards we are opposite to the President's Palace here. So you can see we are going towards President's Palace in the right hand side. This is the President's Palace street. In the right hand side you can see his palace, and yes, so yes, we are going towards we are at the President's Palace. We are at the President's Palace. So now we are going towards the Old Town Market Square. Now here one of the good thing in Poland is people are singing and dancing in the street. So you can see one musician is playing music here. Yeah, so let's listen to his music. Thank you.
So here we can see the light decorations in Old Town. The both side of the roads are decorated of fiery lights, and people are there enjoying the lights. From my experience, I can say these lights are there for at least 3-4 months, uh, from November to March, I guess. Yeah, so the lights are there till March 15th, and that was the best time to visit Old Town during night time, because in winters the day became very short in Poland, and the night became longer. The evening is around 3 p.m. We can't see the sun from 3 p.m. So the lights are there, so it's don't we don't feel anything like the sun is not there, the nights are too long because of the lights. We visited the Old Town almost every day, and we enjoy there. And yeah, you can see how they decorated the lights. Every tree, every street, every poles are decorated with lights. You must see Warsaw Old Town in especially winter's nights.